everyone, goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today we're going to make some Jamaican sweet potato pudding. So here are some sweet potatoes, goodies. All I did was just wash them, peel them, and cut them into cubes. We are going to blend these. So to make the liquid, we are going to use some coconut milk, and I'm using 1 tin of the coconut milk. I'm going to be using some soft brown sugar. I also going to be using almond essence and some vanilla. Alright, so that's what we're going to use to make the wet ingredients. So here I have my jug. Just put my coconut milk in. So 1 tin of coconut milk. I'm adding the vanilla essence and the almond essence. I'm just using 1 teaspoon of the almond essence and 1 teaspoon of the vanilla essence. I'm now adding 1 cup of brown sugar. You can reduce this to 3/4 cups if you do not want it too sweet. And I'm just going to mix this in until the sugar and everything is nicely mixed in properly. Okay, so I'm going to leave back 1/2 cup of the liquid to make the soft top. So just set that aside, and we're going to use this liquid to blend our sweet potatoes. You see how the color change is because I peel them and leave them out of the water, but don't worry about that. So we're gonna just blend this until it's nice and smooth. Okay, all right, so while we're blending, let's go ahead and prepare our dry ingredients. So here I have some flour, cornmeal, cinnamon powder, and some nutmeg and some allspice. You can add a tip of salt, a pinch of salt, or you can just leave the salt out if you're going to use salted butter. So I'm just gonna mix this in properly. So as you can see here, goodies, I'm going to add some raisins. I had these raisins soaking in some wine just to make them nice and soft. So we're just gonna blend the raisins into the flour so they don't sink to the bottom. So now we're going to just go ahead and we're going to add our blended sweet potatoes to the flour. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm using salted butter, so that's why I didn't add any salt in the beginning. So you just want to mix that in with your wooden spoon until it's nice and combined. This is the consistency you want to have, nice and thick. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my greased baking tin. Make sure you use a lot of butter to grease the bottom and the sides so you can have nice crispy sides and nice crispy bottom. Okay, so we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees until a toothpick comes out clean. So halfway, when it's like this consistency, we're going to take it from the oven and we are going to pour that remainder of liquid on top. This is going to give it the soft top. We're going to pop this back into the oven for another 15 minutes. Okay? Okay, goodies, so this is what it looks like after I pulled it from the oven. It is nice and cooled down, so I'm just going to remove it from the baking tin. So this is what it looks like from out of the baking tin. I'm just going to cut into it and so that you can see what inside looks like, and also on the bottom. Yes, goodies, so let me know what you think about this recipe. If you like the recipe, remember to hit that subscription button, leave me a comment, like the video, share the video. Okay, goodies, support the channel, man. Yep, so this is what it looks like. I will leave the ingredients in the description box below for those who want to try this recipe. Look at that crispy bottom. All right, goodies, so until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.